Ammonia reacts with oxygen gas to produce nitrogen monoxide and water. We're going to have to translate this equation and balance it first. So ammonia, which is NH3, reacts with, means put a plus, oxygen gas. Oxygen's a diatomic, so we'll put O2. To produce, so we'll draw the yield sign, nitrogen monoxide, so that's NO, and then it's 1 nitrogen and 1 oxide plus water. It's actually a rather difficult equation to balance, so we'll just kind of work through it one step at a time. 1 nitrogen, 3 hydrogens on the left, 2 hydrogens on the right. So you want to use a common factor between 2 and 3, which is 6. So I'll have a 2 coefficient here, which gives me 2 times 3 is 6. And I'll have a 3 coefficient here, which gives me 3 times 2 is 6. This has altered my number of nitrogens, so I'll go ahead and fix that now. 2 nitrogens on the left, so I need 2 nitrogens on the right. Now the oxygens. There are 2 on the left, but there are a total of 2 plus 3 makes 5 oxygens on the right. This is an odd number of oxygens, so if I had 5 over 2 times 2, then that would give me 5 oxygens on the left. But we don't want to leave this as a fraction, so to get rid of the fraction, we'll multiply all coefficients by 2. So this is going to become 2 times 2 is 4. This times 2 becomes just 5. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. So we have a balanced equation of 4, 5, 4, 6 ratios. Okay, so we are given that there are 10.98 grams of the ammonia, and the question is, how much oxygen is consumed or required in order to react with this many grams of ammonia? So we're going to stoich from ammonia to the oxygen. We'll put 10.98 grams of ammonia over 1. Bring down grams of ammonia, and you'll go to the periodic table and add up 14.01 plus 1.01 times 3, and that'll give you 17.04 grams of ammonia equals 1 mole of ammonia. Now we can do our mole-to-mole ratio from ammonia to moles of oxygen. There are 4 moles of ammonia to 5 moles of oxygen. And finally, we'll bring down 1 mole of oxygen because they want to know the mass of oxygen, which is grams, and we'll go to the periodic table and we'll type in 16 times 2, which gives us 32 grams of oxygen. When we type this into our calculator, we get 10.98 divided by 17.04, and then we'll do times 5 divided by 4, and then times 32. And that's going to give us 25.77 grams of oxygen, which is letter A.